Don't let this happen to you. Hey, sweeties, let's talk about ways to ruin your Le Creuset. Whatever kind of enameled cast iron you have, you can ruin it. Staub, Cuisinart, Crofton, that's from Aldi, Tramontina, that you can get at Costco. You can ruin it. And if you do mess up like I did, yeah, I know it's bad. I'm going to show you how to fix it or to do the best you can. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Now let's talk about how to ruin your Le Creuset or whatever kind of enameled cast iron pan you have. So how does this happen? What happens to the bottom and sometimes the sides of your enameled cast iron pans, pots, is that as you're cooking, if grease splashes on them, runs down the side, if your stovetop is greasy, you can get a buildup of grease on the sides and on the bottom of your pan. And if you like to do stovetop to oven cooking like I do, that starts to get baked on time and time again. And if you don't clean it off well after every use, then that grease starts to build up and polymerize, almost like seasoning a cast iron pan. Now, the good news is that it does not affect the way your pan cooks. It still cooks like a dream. I've had this Le Creuset 4.5 quart deep saute pan for over 20 years. And my goodness, I absolutely love it. One way that you can clean it is with a solution of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Make a paste of it and rub it on these stains and let it sit. That is the recommended way from Le Creuset. And let that sit, and that will start to loosen the buildup. Now, it may take several times, but let it sit and then use a non-abrasive sponge or cloth and just a little elbow grease and work that off. Now, you may see other websites, YouTubers say to use oven cleaner on it. That is not recommended by Le Creuset because, well, it can damage the enamel if you're not careful. Does it take off the carbon buildup? Yeah, it does. I've tried it, but believe me, this is at your own risk. If you leave it on too long, you can damage the enamel of your cast iron, enamel coated cast iron pan. Definitely don't use it on the inside because it will dull the finish of the inside, and it can do the same to the outside. And it also voids your warranty. So be aware of that. Like I said, I have tried it. You have to leave it on for a very short period of time, 20 minutes, and then wash it off, and you may have to reapply. But again, that is at your own risk, and it will void your warranties. Another way that you can ruin your enameled cast iron, this one is from Lodge. This is a 6-quart Dutch oven by Lodge. Is you can chip it by slamming the lids down or storing it improperly. When they clank together, they can chip. So I bought this one used. It arrived with this chip in it. When you get your Le Creuset, your Lodge, it usually will come with these types of clips, spacers that you can put on the rim, and it keeps the lid from banging into the pot. Keep these. They come on your cast iron pan when you get it, especially if it comes with a lid. Keep them and make sure that when you finish using it, wash it, and you're going to put it away, put these clips back on to keep the lid from slamming into the pot and making it less likely to chip. Another great way to use it is to, with those clamps, with those pieces on, turn the lid upside down, and then you can store it with another pan on top. Just make sure you're handling them gently so you don't crash them into each other and chip the enamel. Another way to ruin the enamel finish on the inside of your enameled cast iron pot is to use metal utensils and scrape them aggressively across the bottom and sides. That's a big no. They can scratch that enamel finish, and you don't want that. Instead, try wooden or silicone utensils. They're much more gentle on your finish and will protect it for a long, long time. One great way to ruin your enameled cast iron is to take it off of a hot stove and plunge it into a sink full of cold water, or put it straight into your refrigerator. Don't do that. Those extreme temperature changes can damage your enameled cast iron pot. You can crack, you can damage the enamel, you can damage the cast iron itself. Don't do that. Make sure once you cook with your enameled cast iron, you let it cool to room temperature before you try to wash it. Don't plunge it straight into a sink full of cold water. Let it cool down enough so that you can handle it and so that it is at room temperature. You don't want to put it straight from hot to cold. Be careful, because that is a really major mistake. Not only can you burn yourself, causing steam to rise up quickly, but it will damage your pot. When you're cleaning your enameled cast iron pots, this is your worst enemy. Do not use a metal scrubber on your enameled cast iron. It will ruin the finish. Always use a non-abrasive cloth or sponge. Baking soda is your best friend. Baking soda, a little dish detergent, a little water, and a little elbow grease with this cloth or sponge can remove so many stains on the inside and outside of your enameled cast iron pot. If you have cooked on stains, you burned something in your pot, one of the best ways to remove it is to put some water in there in your pot and bring it to a boil. Add some baking soda, let that boil for 8 minutes, and then use a wooden spoon to gently scrape the bottom. The wooden spoon is not abrasive. That baking soda is going to work wonders. And that boiling of the hot water, sometimes I just boil hot water in there for 8 minutes or so and then use the wooden spoon to scrub it off, and it really fixes a lot of problems. So baking soda is your best friend when it comes to cleaning your enameled cast iron. Now, a lot of the companies that make their enameled cast iron products also make their own cleaners. Le Creuset has their own enameled cast iron cleaner, and so does Lodge. And they both work, but you don't have to go through that extra expense. And if this doesn't work, baking soda doesn't work, Barkeeper's Friend works very well. It also is something that is approved by Le Creuset for cleaning their pots. Always test on a small area, because you want to make sure that it does not damage your pan, but that works as well. Another way to ruin your enameled cast iron is to put it in the dishwasher. Never put your enameled cast iron into the dishwasher, even though the Le Creuset company says that you can. Over time, the drying setting of the dishwasher can ruin this shiny surface of your enamel, causing it not to perform as well. Foods can start sticking more, and although this is not a traditional non-stick surface, it does have a bit of slickness to it that helps to release food easily. So don't put it in the dishwasher. Hand washing is still the best. And also, you notice the edge here of many enameled cast iron pans is not coated with enamel. So this part can rust. And when you put these in the dishwasher and they stay wet for a long time, that can cause rusting of these parts. So don't put them in the dishwasher. It's one surefire way to ruin your pan. Do you have any tips about caring for enameled cast iron? Please leave them in the comments. Enameled cast iron can last more than a lifetime if you take care of it properly. Don't make some of the mistakes I made, and you can have your enameled cast iron to give to a family member if you choose. They make great gifts and they're durable. Just take care of it and it'll take care of you. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day.